Welcome to our workshop on business strategy. In this session, we'll delve into the essence of business strategy and its importance for organizational success. Business strategy is the roadmap that guides decisions and actions towards achieving long-term objectives. It involves defining the company's direction and determining how to allocate resources effectively to gain a competitive edge. Without a clear strategy, organizations can lack focus and fail to meet their goals. By the end of this workshop, you'll understand the significance of strategic planning in driving success. So, let's begin our journey to mastering business strategy. Today, we'll explore the core components of a robust business strategy: vision and mission, goals and objectives, and core values. These elements collectively guide a company towards its long-term objectives. The vision and mission provide a clear roadmap and sense of purpose, defining where the company aims to go and why it exists. Goals and objectives break down the vision into actionable steps, turning aspirations into reality. Core values establish the principles driving the company's culture and decision-making. These components are the foundation upon which successful businesses build their strategic plans. Let's master these fundamentals together. The strategic planning process is essential for navigating business complexities. It involves 4 critical steps: environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and evaluation and control. Environmental scanning analyzes both internal and external factors. Strategy formulation develops goals and plans. Strategy implementation focuses on executing those plans. And evaluation and control ensure the strategy stays on track, making necessary adjustments. Mastering these steps positions businesses for long-term success. As we proceed, we'll explore each step in greater detail. In business strategy, environmental scanning is pivotal. This process involves scrutinizing internal factors like resources, capabilities, and culture, and external factors like market trends, economic conditions, and competitors. An effective tool for this is the SWOT analysis, assessing strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Understanding these dynamics allows businesses to craft robust and adaptable strategies. Moving forward, you'll learn how this foundational analysis sets the stage for successful strategic planning. Formulating a solid business strategy starts with setting clear and attainable objectives, guiding your organization towards its goals. Comprehensive policies then establish a framework for consistent decision-making. Efficient resource allocation ensures your financial, human, and technological assets are utilized to maximize potential and minimize waste. By setting objectives, developing policies, and allocating resources wisely, you lay the groundwork for a successful strategy. As we move forward, we'll delve into the process of implementing this strategy effectively. Implementing a business strategy starts with creating detailed action plans outlining the specific steps needed to achieve your strategic goals. A strong organizational structure ensures seamless execution by aligning resources, processes, and people with the strategy. The cornerstone of implementation is strong leadership, which inspires teams, fosters accountability, and maintains momentum. Without these elements, action plans, organizational structure, and leadership, your strategy remains just a plan. Next, we'll explore real-world examples showing how these elements come together. Evaluating and controlling are crucial steps in any successful business strategy. Setting clear performance metrics helps measure progress and identify areas for improvement. Feedback loops provide essential insights to refine strategies continually, ensuring they remain effective and aligned with objectives. This process of continual improvement drives sustained success and growth. As we proceed, you'll see how these principles apply in real-world scenarios. Let's examine a real-world example of successful business strategy implementation. Tech Solutions, a mid-sized technology firm founded in 2005, saw steady growth but struggled by 2015 with industry innovation. Recognizing the need for strategic overhaul, Tech Solutions conducted a thorough SWOT analysis to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. With newfound clarity, they set clear objectives like expanding their product line, investing in new technology, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Detailed action plans were developed, and resources were efficiently allocated. Leadership, particularly from a visionary CEO, played a crucial role. The strategy was effectively communicated, ensuring alignment across departments and fostering innovation and responsiveness. Within 2 years, Tech Solutions launched 3 new, well-received product lines, significantly improved customer satisfaction scores, and reported a 30% revenue increase. Their innovative approach also gained industry recognition with several awards. This case study underscores the importance of clear objectives, strong leadership, and organizational alignment in business strategy. Next, we'll guide you through a SWOT analysis for your company, identifying key growth areas. Now let's dive into an interactive exercise on conducting a SWOT analysis. First, identify strengths, internal attributes giving a competitive edge, like core competencies and unique resources. Next, identify weaknesses, internal factors hindering success, such as inefficiencies and resource constraints. Recognizing these early helps mitigate risks. Then, focus on opportunities, external factors like market trends, technological advancements, or changing consumer preferences. Lastly, assess threats, external challenges, including market disruptions, competitive pressures, and regulatory changes. Understanding threats helps develop strategies to minimize their impact. Remember, a comprehensive SWOT analysis is ongoing, requiring continuous assessment and adaptation. As we practice this hands-on approach, note specific points that resonate with your business. Completing this SWOT analysis offers a clearer view of your strategic position, setting the stage for developing effective strategies. This exercise will clarify your strengths, address weaknesses, seize opportunities, and counter threats as part of the broader strategic planning process. So grab a pen and paper, or use your favorite digital tool, and let's begin. Let's move forward with developing a strategic plan. We'll break this down into 3 key steps: setting goals, creating action plans, and allocating resources. First, define clear, specific, and achievable goals aligned with your vision and mission. These should serve as your roadmap. Ask yourself about your primary aim and what you want to achieve in the next year or 5 years. Ensure your goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, create action plans. Outline the steps necessary to achieve your goals, breaking them into manageable tasks. Assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and prioritize tasks based on impact and urgency. Your action plan should direct your team on what needs to be done, by whom, and by when. Finally, allocate resources. Identify and provide the financial, human, and material resources required to implement your action plans effectively. Ensure you have the right people with the necessary skills. Budget wisely to ensure adequate support for each part of your plan. Resource allocation should also optimize efficiency to maximize output. By setting goals, creating action plans, and allocating resources, you'll build a robust strategic plan ready for implementation and progress tracking. Let's focus on implementing your strategy. Execution brings plans to life through action steps and milestones essential for driving your strategy forward. Monitoring progress ensures actions align with strategic goals, identifying deviations early for timely corrective measures. Be ready to adjust as needed. The business environment is dynamic, requiring flexibility to stay on course. Constant evaluation and adaptability turn a static plan into an evolving strategy. Measuring success through key performance indicators and tracking progress is crucial for achieving strategic objectives. To measure success in business strategy, it's crucial to set clear key performance indicators, KPIs. These metrics help track progress consistently. Regularly monitoring and evaluating these indicators ensures that objectives are met and performance stays on track. This process allows businesses to make data-driven decisions, refine strategies, and improve outcomes. By measuring success systematically, organizations can identify strengths and target areas for improvement. Tracking progress and evaluating outcomes are integral to sustained success, leading us to the next step, adapting strategies based on results. Adapting your strategy is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Start by identifying areas for improvement through performance metrics and feedback. Make the necessary adjustments to your action plans and objectives, ensuring they address gaps and align with strategic goals. Continuous learning is key. Stay informed about industry trends, competitor strategies, and emerging technologies. This ongoing knowledge helps refine your approach and maintain an edge in a dynamic business environment. As we proceed, you'll see how these adaptations can drive sustained success. Let's delve into common pitfalls in business strategy and how to avoid them. A major issue is a lack of clear vision, which can cause teams to lose focus and motivation. Poor communication can derail plans through misunderstandings and information gaps. Inadequate resources can cripple your strategy from the start. Ensure the necessary tools, finances, and personnel are in place. By staying aware of these pitfalls and addressing them proactively, you can steer your strategy toward success. Next, we'll explore the critical role leadership plays in effective strategy implementation. Leadership is critical to the success of any business strategy. Visionary leadership, with a clear and inspiring vision, catalyzes progress. Effective communication ensures this vision is understood by all stakeholders, creating alignment and shared purpose. Empowering teams with trust and autonomy enables innovation and accountability, driving the strategy forward. These pillars, visionary leadership, effective communication, and team empowerment, are essential for transforming strategic plans into results. Next, we'll explore future trends shaping business strategy, including digital transformation, sustainability, and globalization. As we look to the future, several emerging trends poised to reshape business strategy are already here. First, digital transformation has become a vital necessity for staying relevant in a tech-driven world. Next, sustainability is no longer just a buzzword, it's a core business imperative that can drive growth and differentiate brands. Finally, globalization continues to break down borders, requiring businesses to think globally while acting locally. Staying ahead of these trends will be crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the ever-evolving business landscape. Let's recap the key concepts we've covered. We've explored the fundamentals of business strategy, from defining clear vision and mission to strategic planning and execution. Applying these principles can pave the way for competitive advantage. The true value lies in continuously applying and refining these strategies, as strategic planning is an ongoing process. As you implement these strategies, keep evaluating and adjusting them to align with your business goals. Stay committed to this process for transformative results. Consider how to incorporate these takeaways into your daily practices for lasting success. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand and master business strategy. We hope you found the insights and tools provided useful. Now it's time to take these learnings and apply them in your context, transforming theory into practice to drive your business forward. If you enjoyed this video and want more valuable content, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Your growth and success are our top priorities, and we're excited to continue this journey with you. Again, thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.